What if your next therapist wasn't human? Imagine opening your phone, typing your deepest fears, and instantly receiving emotional support. Not from a person, but from artificial intelligence. AI-driven mental health tools, like chatbots and virtual therapists, are changing how millions deal with anxiety, stress, and loneliness. But can an algorithm truly understand human emotion? And what happens when we start trusting machines with our mental health? Welcome back to Psychology Threads, where we explore the hidden forces shaping your mind. Today, we dive deep into AI-driven mental health support, the promises, the psychology, and the potential dangers. AI therapy began quietly, with chatbots like Woebot and Wysa trained on cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. They don't judge, they don't sleep, and they're available 24/7. Users type about their day, their stress, even heartbreak, and the AI responds with empathy, encouragement, and scientifically tested coping methods. During the pandemic, downloads of mental health chatbots skyrocketed by over 300% as people sought comfort while isolated at home. For many, AI became a digital shoulder to cry on. But why does it work for so many people? Psychologists call it the ELIZA effect. Named after the first chatbot therapist from the 1960s, it describes how humans naturally attribute understanding and empathy to computers, even when we know they're not real. Here's the secret. Talking to AI feels safe. There's no fear of judgment, rejection, or misunderstanding. That triggers a sense of psychological safety, one of the key conditions for emotional openness. Research even shows that people are often more honest with AI chatbots than with real therapists, especially when discussing taboo topics like addiction, trauma, or sexuality. Our brains respond not to who's listening, but to being listened to, and AI, designed to mirror empathy, delivers that experience instantly. AI therapy offers something revolutionary: accessibility. Therapy is expensive. Many regions lack mental health professionals entirely. But AI can reach anyone with a phone, anywhere, at any time. It can track emotional patterns over time, detect warning signs of depression, and even recommend real-life interventions when needed. For those who feel isolated, it provides a sense of connection, a daily check-in that reminds them they're not alone. Some psychologists even use AI tools alongside therapy, helping clients practice skills between sessions. So far, so good. But now comes the other side of the coin. AI may sound empathetic, but it doesn't truly feel. It mimics understanding based on data, not human experience. That raises ethical questions. Can a chatbot truly replace the emotional intuition of a trained therapist? Who owns the deeply personal data users share during these sessions? And what if the AI gets it wrong, misinterprets a crisis message, or gives harmful advice? There have already been cases where users formed emotional attachments to AI companions and were devastated when the chatbot's tone changed after an update. It reminds us AI can simulate connection, but it cannot be human connection. The future of mental health support might not be humans versus machines, but humans with machines. AI can handle the early stages, listening, tracking moods, offering tools. Human therapists can then focus on the deeper, more complex work of healing. Imagine a world where mental health care is as accessible as music streaming, where no one has to suffer in silence because help is always one tap away. But let's never forget, empathy may be programmable, but compassion still belongs to us. So, can AI heal your mind? Maybe not entirely, but it can open doors to conversations, to awareness, and to a more connected world. Thanks for watching Psychology Threads. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mind and the machine, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more weekly insights into human psychology. And remember, your mind matters, whether you're talking to a person or a program.